I would try it too.
You wanna try it now? Okay, back again. So the two and two back together. Alright guys. So Sean, you speak to the man more, a man speak to the man, Sean, don't tell a lie.
Yeah.
Woo!
No. Wait. No.
Sean.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shawna. I'm here with Nikki on my left and Sean on my right. Today we're doing Never Have I Ever in Jamaica. Island Gal, Never Have I Ever. We are going to tell the truth and nothing but the truth to help us island gals, okay? So we have some questions here that we came up with. If we have done the question that's asked, we will say I have. If we haven't, I haven't. If we choose not to answer, we will take a shot of pure white NSC that Nikki decided to finish a couple hours ago. Just saying. Am I lying? Shanti get shot when you come down.
Yeah.
Alright. So guys, Nikki almost finished the bottle of pure NSC, but we have some left and we're gonna finish it. The first question. Ready? Never have I ever sent a nude pic to the wrong person. I haven't. I don't take nude pictures.
I haven't. I take nude pictures, but when I made a mistake.
You have never, right?
I haven't. When I made a mistake.
You have never sent a nude pic to the wrong person?
Never ever.
Yeah. Never have I ever tell a lie to get out of work.
Always. Always. No, drip of clothes. Listen.
Well, I'm guilty because right now I'm supposed to be at work. It's now, what time do you have your phone? What time is it? It's after 1, right?
Yeah.
I'm supposed to be at work back home in the States, but according to, well, my boss now think I have the flu because I told my boss I'm not feeling well this week and I will be out for a couple days because I have the cold and I'm here in Jamaica, so I have. You have, right? Everybody tell lie for come out of the people that work.
Yeah. Come on, phone.
Never have I ever did a threesome. I haven't. Me and my man alone, like, no third wheel to my thing. I haven't. Shawna laugh, Nikki I laugh. The question again. Never have I ever done a threesome.
Alright, so I have, but it was a threesome with 2 girls. So it was like a guy and a girl.
She had a boom boom.
Yeah.
She like boom boom.
No, but just want to make it clear, say, you know? But
That
yeah.
boom boom, you know.
No, I like both.
Okay, so Nikki is going to take a shot. She decided not to answer. We're off to a good start. Come to the cup. Please forgive us for our teacup.
Yeah.
But we don't have any fancy stuff. You know me, a fancy girl and we're aunt girl, but you know. It's a little Airbnb vibe, so yeah. Never have I ever wish I was white. Like wish you were somebody else, wish you were brown, but you brown, you brown. I wish that I was white before me because I live in the States. I wish I was a white person. Sometimes I think my life would be easier. You know, sometimes when you're black, like racism or people judge you because of the black one, or you know what I mean? Like I wish if you're white, you'd be more privileged because as Jamaicans, like brown girl get more preference of a black girl. Like everybody want a browning girl, and you know the browning one. So where I live, I think sometimes I think that if I was white, my life would be
yeah, definitely. But I've never reached that before.
You never feel you're born that way you're born before?
Like no?
Yeah, you never feel you want to be more browner?
No.
Me no.
Because
me no. Wish me the brown.
I don't have any issues with my color. I'm good, I'm great because it allows me to get a lot of privileges, you know, pretty privilege.
Yes.
So I don't have no issues. So
I love who I am, but just because where I live, I wish that if I was whiter, then yeah. Never have I ever had or have a friend with benefits. Have you ever have a friend who wanna do the nasty together, we're not just friends, but when you feel a way there, you just call that friend. I have not. I have not. Sorry. Shawna. Yes.
I haven't.
Big shot, you know, Sean. Come on, more.
Don't take
this
too
enough.
No
man.
shot, this is not shot.
This
Right, enough. One.
Don't take too long. So let that burn it.
And just go like, so Sean, for the
And a
benefits.
friend with benefits. Shot.
Finish the call, finish. Dream you could stay, show so you finish it. I said.
Look at dream.
Woo. Never have I ever slept with someone whose name I did not know. You never sleep with someone before you know the person's full name. I'm not talking about the person's name, Jabo or Jabo or Jocko. You never deal with somebody before and you don't know the person's right name.
I'll tell you the story time.
Yeah.
Oh, my baby father watch this.
Yeah.
This one I just know him. Give me a fake name. But whenever I don't know yet,
Somebody do me
fake
that
name.
too. Not a fake name, but a name that's not their government name. Yeah.
I never feel him. I went there and I call him. I want to go over the boy house now. I'm going to I don't want to call the name. I call him.
And you must say,
I say, yeah, what do you mean by name? So,
Still get tricked, my cousin.
yeah.
Yeah. Never have I ever swallowed the nasty. A Nikki question them here, guys. They will come from Nikki. Never have I ever swallowed the nasty. I haven't because I don't put penis in my mouth, sorry. Yes. Not yes. So Nikki
just
is
later burn me.
Jesus.
so Shania's answer, you swallow the nasty.
Just later burn me.
Drink everything.
Really?
No, Shani, you know.
A whole heap of shot this.
The
You're
man-
a good man. Man, see Nikki cup.
Come finish up. Come shut that good enough. Drink up.
Jaja.
Them like swallow. Them like swallow.
Spitting is based.
Okay. Next question. Never have I ever did the nasty with a family member.
Nada. I'm gonna make them mistake then.
You're not sure?
Well, if I'm not sure, it's a thing where both sides don't know, but
Okay. You don't touch a family member.
no.
I haven't. Off them, right? And then again, man, I family member with that one, so.
Yes.
Yo. Never have I ever. Never have I ever sucked toes.
You must have it too nice, so.
I haven't. Have you?
I
Nikki, you sucked toe before?
Yes, I'm too
You sucked toe before, Goldie?
want to a clean.
Really?
Yeah.
Those you call him
Yeah. You want to call me?
more?
Call your man name. Call your man name where you sucking toe, Nikki.
Nikki, me need to look at the
Richard's toes are clean. Him go get him regular.
Pedicure.
Pedicure, yeah. Two of them clean.
And you
So,
suck him toe. Alright.
Not saying I wouldn't, but I haven't.
Okay. Don't do it. That's not good.
Yeah, that's nasty.
Not nasty.
No, but what if the two of them clean? You know, some
Two of them
people
clean.
really groom. Because if me do a nice pedicure, my two of them look nice and sexy and something.
But man too.
But you know, man
Don't do them.
really dirty,
Man
you know.
so clean.
Alright.
Which other boy, but take care and say.
Alright,
But
baby.
take care of
Happy
yourself.
man. Okay.
Next question, guys. Never ever thief a family member before.
Teeth?
You ever thief something from your family member before? Never ever thief something from a family member before. You have one grandmother when auntie will thief her money, you thief her food, you thief her wig, you thief her spray, you thief her slippers, you thief her makeup, you thief her eyelash, you thief her blouse and shoes. You never thief nothing from a family member before?
No. And my family is not family orientated. Family really their own family and all them something. And even
And
so,
them things.
no.
Me thief my family money already. Because me be honest, me teach my family money already. My grandmother when she alive, she said me go places that me take the money last.
That too.
Yeah. Shawna love money. Never ever been with a taxi man before. I haven't. You
Taxi
ne-
man look me, but never yet got this.
A taxi man. And Jamaican girls love taxi man.
The school girl them.
Only school girl alone?
Mostly. Well, when me
Most
know
of school
of.
girl they come and taxi.
Yeah.
Never ever wish I could relive my life. I have.
Me always.
Sometimes. I wish I could relive my life.
And they look back at him, they say, you should do this, you should never do this.
When you really do some deep medicine, if you're gonna go back in time, that change a lot of things. I'm always pray that.
Never ever slept with someone on the first date. I haven't. You never meet somebody before on the first night to get a good. Them no, them look here, you guys have. Come, tell me the story time.
I think so.
You never meet a man before and give him a good on the first night because my lyrics seem smell good, they got a part and the boy
And
doesn't
so
look good. Sean, story
No,
time.
me not have no story. Me listen.
Wait, answer the question,
I
Sean.
say. Me try to remember.
I remember where we at. What time?
Probably weeks.
No, the first date. You meet him, but the first time,
Not as much as meet
it
it tonight. And we meet it tonight and know it tonight and say, alright, come over, we'll go eat out and then we just kind of
Like a week after though.
you have to make little time pass.
So how long is your time for? Like a week?
Sometimes it all depends. Honestly.
Never ever have two relationships or two men at the same time.
Nikki, why you look away?
Never ever have two relationship or two men at the same time. I haven't. Alright, I have man like married before and first. I don't two man. I've sex with two men before now. But I've married
What do you
before
mean
and
have sex
first
with
with
two
people.
men?
Like you have two men.
Yeah, I have sex with that one and yesterday, they go look for that one the next week, I have sex with him.
You have two man, Nikki. You know
It's
me.
vice versa. So you two of them are your man.
Yeah,
so when
two
the one
man.
you want to see you know you have to make yourself available. When the one you want to see you know you have to make yourself available.
Yeah, you have two man. May I ask a question? You have two man?
Answer the question. Answer the question. Me don't have two man still.
No, that's not like a lie. Shannon never
No.
two boys Jamaica yet. They never
Right
have two men.
now-
And they're like you never have two men.
Right now I don't.
But before
But I've
that,
been in situations like that before.
we have two men.
Me not have a call.
That's the truth.
Man.
So I two
Wait,
girl,
no, listen up.
I two cousin.
I know your man, but you know what? You and them will probably flirt or something.
But
like
in
that.
Avia as in woman do.
No.
Next question. Never have I ever have sex for money.
I have never, but my belief say once you get it, you're supposed to make sure it's alright. So I'm gonna have sex for it, but if that's not included, then something is definitely wrong. get the money.
No, not it.
Alright, okay.
So you have sex money?
No, I have 6
No.
It's just a.
She said that
I
I've been
forget it.
included.
Yeah,
Wait,
but it's
no.
I'm not gonna just come and say, me and sex you for this.
Right. But I believe that you should know. Man, I say after we sex, you say, alright, see the money I know. But continuously doing our thing.
Alright. Never ever ask for money immediately after sex.
No, never. Never. I'm a pride wouldn't even allow.
So Nikki, when you don't ask for money, do you know what people in the
I'm
service?
not selling a fuck.
You never use
I'm not selling a Gucci, so I come out and go to them and say money. No.
Okay, never ever been with a politician before. I haven't. Never? The politician is one I like in Jamaica?
I like them humble.
No man, the big man is one I like in
No, big man, yes,
Big
but
man,
no
no.
politician.
Never ever steal at a store before. At a supermarket, are you going to a clothes store?
Of course,
Are you gonna
regular upper bonjour.
What do you
Really? Really, Nikki?
Them take up chocolate.
Wow!
Which one you bonjour?
The
Bonjour?
gas station.
Oh yeah, you see before the gas
Them always
station.
take up chocolate or pistachio or them just always have come some. And me?
Well, for my steal,
then
I
you
remember when I was going to primary school.
No, since I've been one.
No, not since we
Since you're
are
born, Sha, you never
Shanty.
see.
No, me never. No, me never going in a store to see.
Not
Honestly,
store, not clothes
no
and them
way.
somebody, you
No
know.
way.
Sha, you never seen no sweet and tea fit yet?
She
No.
not remember right. She not remember right.
She not remember, right?
No,
remember.
ask fell.
So Sha, tea.
You're a mad woman and you are mad woman, so we're gonna lick it together.
No, cause we not really
Shut
go
it,
nowhere
shut
for
it,
trouble.
shut it.
We will say, alright, take up that now, but we not do it. Not saying I won't, but we never going in a store when we see nothing for take up yet, really.
But guys, if you are a returning subscriber, you know I live overseas, so definitely I have been in multiple stores. I'm not paying for this now, so I've been in stores overseas before, and I pay my taxes, and I just think that because I pay so much taxes each month, I'm entitled to take. Yeah, you haven't steal anything before, Sean? Nothing.
No, not that I can recall right now.
You never took the eyelash before?
No, because we're not going in a store where really have anything teethable, and the stores that have things teethable camera they all bought.
You know when your picture post up your
So if I probably like bonjour, what she has said, me never take on more.
So we're going to bonjour today. We're going to bonjour today. And you can show or street.
When are the best time? Night or day?
Night, we're going to dance to go bonjour.
And you have to stand up there and full, so you know the security not pay attention. For
So
true.
we're going to bonjour tonight.
Yeah, we can do it, man.
Alright, we're going to bonjour tonight. Sean, we're going to show Sean the rope.
Never have I ever.
Dennis is working, guys.
Listen, I never shut down the camera, listen, I know. Never have I ever been jumped to the point where you have sex with a man where you got past with this is not yet.
I've never.
So,
But that would be like a one night stand.
no, man. Is it that you're saying it's somebody that you know, but it's just not your man? Or somebody we used to flex with?
When we just vibe together and when we got the party, you jump to the point where you just want, that's something, yeah? And you have sex.
So we got a party together, but are you still at the party?
You got the party together.
Okay. But if you have got a party together, you must not say you have to give it up to.
Sean, do it already.
Not fit.
Sean, do it already. Sean got a party and she feel nice and she go with someone, right, Sean? Right?
Somebody was still
Right, Sean?
have
Right, Sean?
right, but let me explain.
Okay.
Somebody that was still, you know, when you're the person they still have history. So it's not like a stranger, but when you just still,
Yeah, because she said she had friends to benefit, so you're perfectly right. You're honest, Sean. Sean, honest girl. Sean, honest. Never have I ever been with a married man before. No married man that's what I like, you know?
You know?
yeah, but not saying I wouldn't, cause why not?
You never take a married man
I don't
before?
want no man. I process that.
Ah!
Because it is for the truth.
A true?
Also, I take your shots.
That's why crosses the family. You never take a married man before?
And most of them don't really look, you know? Yeah.
Some old man.
And you have to look.
Woo! My husband was married to me and I take him, so yeah. But just one drink.
Okay.
Never have I ever give a head to the same sex.
Never have I ever give head to a female.
I have never.
I don't like pom-poms.
I don't have any issue with pom-pom because I like girls, but I've never given head to the same sex.
You never take your test?
Never.
Why? You know pom-pom
I
nice?
don't know. We don't know.
Nikki do it already. We ask. Have you ever?
I've gotten it from the same sex, but I've never given it.
Okay. Nikki, have you ever given head to a female before? Nikki, have you? Story time. No, Nikki, we want you the story time here.
No,
We want to know this. We want to know the story time. No, talk. Come, Nikki, tell where you go. Which girl there?
I just want to drink.
No, you just want drink.
You just want drink.
You just want drink. Alright, go on for your shot, Nikki. She don't want to answer.
I just want to drink, man. Just want to drink.
Come, take a shot.
No, man, I love this.
No, it's not. I was looking. Look a bit. Come, take a shot. Nikki decided not to answer. Take a shot or answer.
I just want to take a shot.
Your chest piece are gonna burn you. And you want a story time, right, Sean?
Yeah, what a story time.
Or drink.
I'm going to answer them. I'm going to take no shot.
Okay. You listening? Take a shot. Everything.
Nikki, are drunk before the party now?
Alright guys, my questions are finished. So at this time we're just going to randomly come up with some never have I question. Sean, go first. What question would you like to ask that haven't been asked as yet? Because my questions are out.
Never have I ever gave what was it?
No. You what?
Hold on. When you body wash?
You don't know what Jamaican call body wash?
You don't know alkaline song, body wash?
Yes.
No, sir. I'm not going to ask this.
Sean, have you?
No, sir.
We ever see
I never even asked more that.
I get from
No.
somebody.
Never. Would I get that from somebody before?
You say you don't want it?
Why not?
You don't want to try it?
More than one get it.
Yeah, you don't want to get it. No.
Yeah. More than one get it for
You don't want to
free.
get it receive it, man. It's pointed to them just like.
You say you would ever eat now? You would have tried it now?
Never have I ever done anal before. Anal sex before. Have you?
I
haven't.
Have you? Would you try it?
Yeah, but not with the man mouth.
Oh.
That not happen.
I would try it too.
You want to try anal? Okay, back together. So the two are two back together. Alright guys, so I don't know it go.
I'm not bad. That is not nastiness. That is just
Yeah, because my ears say why gays them enjoy the sex because the G's fat in the bottom.
You know,
It's not
feed them
so-
bottom.
Yeah.
You know, the man them
Oh, sorry,
bottom.
would you say that?
Me don't know. I feel.
That is nastiness. That part.
One of my friends them tell me say nice though, so.
Yeah, I have friends that do it that also say it's good.
So me say, yeah, if your body is
Never have I ever borrowed my friend a wig to go to a party before. I haven't.
I've never.
You never borrowed your friend a wig before? Somebody with that? No, actually I paid 48,000 Jamaican dollars to get my hair done 3 days ago. So no, I've never done that before. No.
When I do with influencing, so I always get ear plus my buy.
Yeah, I always get free ear. So Nikki,
No, but you used to buy the with them before, but when we started the with influencing, stop
You do
buying
with
it.
influencing?
Mm.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice. What's your Instagram?
Short Shan. We don't do the bag of excitement.
Your name Shawna.
Yeah.
So
And
guys,
our
we got-
business page for the lashes, yeah, the good lashes.
Yeah, I do lashes.
Yeah. Never have I ever did a brochure or receive a brochure.
It's a golden shot now.
Never yet do it, never yet get it.
Like just from my foot.
No, Nick, you're not tired with it. No. You're not talking boy, you're man at beer.
I don't know, let me answer.
No, I lie at
From
you.
head to toe?
No, not head to toe, and like my foot.
Yeah.
Like your boyfriend peep you on your foot?
Yeah.
Why? Doing sex?
No.
So your boyfriend just pee on your
We have
foot?
beard together. We have beard together.
I'm just because him kind of peep on your foot?
Yeah, but I can't even do it to my bone. Yeah,
like that.
Whenever you get it from head to toe.
Never have I ever have sex on my period.
Not for us. Sorry.
No. No, not on it.
That's a
Not
nastiness,
I
I
man.
know.
know people would do it on it though.
Them could have said nicer.
But like when it's a finish.
oh, that nicer. That
Remember, you know, when you're on your menstrual, you know, your hormones and you're more horny than ever, you know.
yeah, you're wet, but that's still nasty.
Shan, know your thing.
Eh?
You know your thing.
Yeah.
So you never do sex when you period before?
No,
Shan?
not on it. Not while on it. Not while on it.
That's
Negative. Nasty.
Nada. Can come like I never yet do nothing yet. You know?
Me?
Yeah. Everything
Never
is
have I
boring.
ever had sex in a public place.
In a public place?
Yeah, public
Not
place.
in your bed, not in
Outside,
your house.
in the church bathroom,
Church.
in the gas station.
Gas station.
Like the trunk
Yeah,
bag.
in the trunk.
At the beach, yeah.
Okay.
In the beach, no, in the beach water. You go to the beach with your, you know, your partner, and you're in the beach, in the water. You know,
So you don't do
Just
But
have
then
water
I-
and a bird.
Then I do it from the all stop. No.
You do it for those?
Nikki, all stop first of all. Jamaican all stop at. Right? Overseas is apartment, so you cannot climb on the people. No, I've never done it, Nikki, on the all stop before. Have you?
Yeah.
You woo! You have?
You.
Another night.
Woo!
The breeze and
Cool and nice.
I go on the all stop, Nikki.
Have you ever done it for the
You're brave.
Yeah, I put him birthday and him say, come try something new from the stop.
I like for experience.
I would like to be Nikki's neighbor.
Thank you, truth.
And you haven't been.
Okay, never have I ever sit and watch somebody have sex. So then I watch two people have sex, but female and female, female and man, man and man.
I have.
You have?
Woman and woman and man and man. No.
No. That's not whiskey. No.
What kind of chaos is that? He might wait. Man and man.
We don't understand. Oh, what is right
Tell
there?
man, nothing to
No,
say.
I'm
Man and woman.
No, Shawna, that's spicy.
For me, yeah, I watch somebody, and yeah, somebody watch me.
No charity? We can't watch next time.
Yeah, me want watch.
You can watch too?
Yeah,
We can't watch? We can't watch? We'll watch. Yeah. So for me to answer that question,
Somebody never get watch you know.
if somebody watched me before,
Or you watch somebody.
okay.
Show me that ball.
No, because Sean question just no.
I don't know. I don't understand. Oh, it slip and say that? Or the devil?
This is most like
Woo!
everybody must get this, but we still ask it. Never have I ever received a head from me.
Yeah.
Both.
Yeah, both.
Guys, I don't like vaginas.
No, you getting it
From
or a man?
Man,
Oh.
I live over wait.
Oh, okay, yeah. So you wouldn't want it from a girl?
no.
Why?
Hey, tell her the bits
I
when
don't
I get yours.
I don't
Why?
like girls.
You know, for like girl.
Oh, no.
Let me see out.
I'm missing out. Okay. So like when time girl touching on like.
Of course.
Every time girl
You
touching
know a
on.
girl can turn on a girl better than a man?
No, I know, but I just don't like to be done to me.
Just
Like when time girl touching.
yeah.
Like it. No. So you have you visited from both person before?
Yeah.
We can't hear Nikki.
Both. Two, uno? Yeah. No, dos. Sorry. Dos.
No, I cannot. Are you okay? So you have to enjoy yourself? Enjoy yourself?
To be honest,
Which one you enjoy more?
Good question.
Really?
the girl never really share.
I hope I can help you fix that. I'm gonna find you someone, right, Sean? I'm
Yeah,
gonna find her
definitely.
someone. You don't know what you're missing out on by not getting. Say boyfriend, say man to get it.
Bad man that goes.
You want me to get shot in my head? What you head? You want me to get shot in my head?
Your boyfriend to get it. Your boyfriend to get it.
Not them Jamaican man.
Alright,
Like,
let me-
woo! Don't go there.
No,
No,
you
not
see,
them
Jamaica,
Jamaican man. Because some man
probably
island
no.
do it.
Yes, some man,
But
if you
not my man.
trust you to some level, bad man will do it. Because you have only for bad man that's
Them
gay,
will island do it.
right?
What are you guys talking about?
But
Which
not my
Jamaican?
man. Sorry to say, R.I.P. to that.
You see the culture, and how it is out here.
Ooh, our culture have changed tremendously. You know that
but
too.
still, not a lot of persons is following it.
Okay, oh, yeah? Live on the rock.
Listen,
No, you're
unless
man-
we not meet the right
No,
person.
you're-
You're not accept gay out here.
You're a Jamaican man, don't eat your pum pum, but eat pum pum.
Well,
You're
if
a
if
man,
me
don't
ever
eat
find
your pum
out,
pum, but eat pum pum.
if me ever find out, tell
When a
me.
man eat pum pum.
Oh, you know
No,
that?
my,
Oh, you know that?
I'm not swear for nobody.
Not
Mine
mine.
don't eat it, but I'm not swear for nobody.
Not my
Yeah.
man. Not at
Yeah.
Me can swear for him. Me can put my head on the block.
Nikki,
In the
never
meat.
you do that.
Never you do that.
you
Never
do
have I
that.
ever put
Me,
my
me,
head on
me,
the block
me.
for my man.
Never have I ever
Alright.
put my head from my black for
We are not-
one black for
No
nobody.
man.
Nobody.
He's not gonna do it. I know something.
Yeah.
Probably. I don't know. Probably not a long
Anything is
run
possible.
when we're married or something, but not right. Sure.
'Cause-
Not right.
You
So let me
know,
ask you this question. So this is no longer like a never have I ever bought. Just to elaborate and chit chat. So you're telling me you do it to your man boyfriend, right? And back in return, you don't get back in return. I Shawna, equal rights and justice. I love you.
when I get that,
Equal rights and justice. No. So you
probably
do
a
it.
5% out here. A
So
woman
so
like
you
that.
would do it. I'm not back to you. Or that go.
Well, no.
You know it go.
I just want normalize.
Oh it go.
It's what's normalized.
Oh it go.
Because same as how me can give you, there shouldn't be any issue to give it back. Because the
Exactly.
same nasty way you are pre, it's the same nasty that
Yeah,
I'm
and them,
doing.
but they look nasty this now,
But them not,
nasty.
man a bad man, not this, not this man. But I mean, some girls find joy in it, so it's really not anything to say, oh, you not get that because whatever.
And then doing that now is not really a thing. One time it was a thing
Yeah.
of people bashing up and
No, that's hard.
playing every day all about the place and expect no, come to like me that it's not
Well, me not saying nothing. I'm not doing it. I am not saying nothing. Maybe that's why I'm single, because I'm not doing it.
You know, married again.
No, I'm a divorce in 2020. I got divorced in 2020. I'm a free single girl. Got a nice girl. And I'm not Jamaican man. You're Jamaican man?
Well,
Well, you live yourself.
Well, I'm not
You
experience
experience nobody
another
else race or
yeah,
culture.
so- But I would love, that's one of the things that like, for experience one of them.
See, once a white man?
So something, yeah, something different, a different vibe, a different energy, different mindset. Because all of the niggas them out here to
So you're with
say,
the kinkishes then.
Why not?
Alright guys, overseas we're going to look at guy for Sean. So Sean
Yes.
nice and pretty.
Yes.
We're gonna look at we think a New Yorker would do you well.
Yes.
You don't look at talking
Definitely.
decent, then look at bad boy
Yes.
decent nerd. Yeah, I think a New Yorker do you well. You want the Atlanta man. Yeah, we are telling Sean behind my back.
Come on.
No, but I shouldn't have done.
You want an Atlanta man. You want Atlanta man. What kind of man you want? Yeah man.
So if I get the chance for experience something else, you wouldn't?
Nikki?
Nikki said no.
You don't want to experience a different culture, guy? You
I
want?
would love that.
Some of them.
It's
some
a
of them,
British
some of
fresh
them
air.
too nasty.
It's a British fresh air.
You may never know.
No man, some I tell you, some of them too
Yeah, but you
nasty.
may never know the one way I
But
get.
So you see that, they see that spitting them out, some of them not gonna work.
So you don't do that with your man?
Unless man jump. When
You don't do that with your man?
No man, not almost.
So Sean, you're speaking to your man more, your man speaking to your mouth, Sean, don't tell a lie.
Yeah. No. Wait. No.
Sean, you're speaking.
Nikki, you never do that?
Me have a jump. Not
Give me some.
have a jump. I can't.
Drunk or not? I feel like when you're
No,
at a
man.
certain point of intimacy
But
with the
can't
person.
sober and you just have a spit your saliva and I'm going to that. That not.
You guys are going
So
to.
what the difference if you have a put
No, when me drunk is a whole different story.
So
So
Nikki, when you're drunk, you're speaking to your man mouth?
no, I'm not spitting them out, but if that's what
Your man speaking to your mouth, Nikki? Nikki, I can't stay here. You have to go home.
I can't believe me I jumped before that pass. Me I
So
still
Sean, your man speaking to your mouth?
Yes, what
Go
is
watch.
the time? I'ma love it. I don't know, it,
do something to you.
yes, it just give me a little rush. Yes. It spices it up. As you say, I feel like when you have a certain type of intimacy with the person, especially if it's a clean person, you just,
Let them clean.
you know, carry
That's a
yourself
plus.
good and everything.
That's a plus for me.
Yeah.
Okay guys, this is the end of our never have I ever juicy questions. I learned a bit more about Sean over here. Doing the nasty and about Nikki over here doing the nasty but hope you guys please remember like, comment, subscribe
And share.
Never have I ever from Shawna, Nikki and Sean. Okay, thank you guys for watching.
Thank
I
you.
enjoyed
What's the first?
Shawna,
Shawna, Nikki, and Sean.
Nikki and Sean. Shawna, Nikki and Sean. What are wrong?
Oh, I mean first name. You take me here, Sean, 2 times. Sorry.
No, I said Shawna, Nikki and Sean. You're first. This is what NSC does to you.
Make sure your doubles.
Make sure you're
Always I hear the